There's a nice model my friend Rick got me from the Shelby headquarters museum there in Las Vegas, where he lives. So that's the after photo. Here's the before. Just going to show the body lines. Some people talk about them, or the mold lines, you call them. You know, they look pretty good to me. Not that I have experience with it. It's the first kit I've built, so. But you got that, you know, that seems pretty normal compared to what other guys' bodies I've seen on the internet. So just going around, look at the body seams. Be a little while before I get on the body, but I will be doing it myself. And I guess the place people had problems was the symmetry on the nose. And I understand that's fixed, and you know, it looks good to me. So, carpet and other things just stored in there out of the way. I did order the cutout. I forgot the exact name of it, but the option where they'll do these cutouts for you here, and the headlights. But I noticed they didn't cut out the vents, but of course, I guess a lot of guys don't cut these out, and I'm not sure if I will either. Right here, where the wire mesh goes. Haven't decided yet. Anyway, that's it. There's what it'll look like one day, maybe. I probably will go with the blue and white. It's kind of traditional. A lot of people do it, but you know, I like it, so I don't care if it's what everybody else is doing. I won't go with 98. I'll come up with a different number, but it means something to me. That's it.